part, and we're going to be making bird feeders out of milk jugs. The first step is we have to cut a door and put like 2 holes right here so the string can go right there. And make sure to have supervision with your parents.
Okay, so you can either do windows,
or you can do doors, or you can do both right now. So let's paint them. And I think we're going to do both for now. I think I'm going to paint my door this color.
I think I'm going to do...
Ew, it's gross.
So I guess what I'll do is do
Okay, so this is what the door looks like, and no, you do not have to do the same color as us. And this is what the window looks like.
And then she also did a window on the side.
Yeah. You don't have to do
that too.
You don't have to do any color like us. Get creative and do your own colors.
Use the gift that God gave you
And get creative. Okay, now we have to design it.
You can do patterns or whatever you like.
Yeah, I'm gonna do maybe like this pretty green color right here, and then a pretty yellow color. No, maybe a pink and a red. That's what I'm gonna do. Pink and a red.
I don't know what I'm gonna do. I might use
Pink and red lines. I'm gonna do pink and
This is the final product.
and you can hang it on a tree. Well, first you have to put the foods in it, or the seeds, if whatever you want to call it, and you can hang it on a tree, on your porch, anywhere if you want.
You can give it as a gift.
Just not on anywhere on your body, because that would be weird.
Walking around with a big.
Okay, so this is the final products. So good seeds
For God.
and bye. See you on the next.
Bye.
See you on your next video. So good seeds
For God.
and bye. See you on the next.
Bye.
See you on your next video.